So this is a very not common vending machine. So there are different types of milk, and there's only one coffee. This one. Mine, okay. So we're going to buy number 1. It's something. Okay. Looks old like that. So now I'm going to try to tell you how it tastes. I need to try this. Oh, it's enough. It's a very good milk. So it's written here something like MEIJI, and I think I was there before on a school trip. So it's a milk factory. So yeah, it's written here also. So it's a milk factory, and they gave us presents there. Oh, it's Bulgaria yogurt. Nice. Can I try it later, Alex?
Yes. Bulgaria.
Yeah. And how? I'll open it. Be careful. Don't eat it. I'll open it for you. Here. There's a bubble on the top. Okay, you popped it. How is it?
Good.
It's yogurt,
Like
right?
we have yogurt.
Can I try?
Like our yogurt.
It's sweet. It's not like normal milk. It's
It's
yogurt.
like our yogurt.
Very good. So here, inside here, we put the empty cans.
Empty can.
Open them. Just put in. You can just push it. There's nothing.